Hello guys, welcome to another video. It's been quite some time since we have updated with a video in our channel. So in today's video we are going to see more web tools that are available on my website optizord.com. So as you can see, once you go into the more web tools section of my website, you can come to the first category, that is the online PDF tool. These are the tools that you will need to work with PDF files. So these tools lets you convert various file types to PDF. So there is PowerPoint to PDF, Word to PDF, Excel to PDF, HTML to PDF, PNG to PDF, JPG to PDF, text to PDF, rich file format to PDF, Open document to PDF, Word to Open document, and Word to HTML. So these all conversion you can do with these category of tool. First of all, let me just show you how you can do this. So I got a PowerPoint file on my mobile phone that I need to convert it into a PDF so that I can send it to someone. So they only have a PDF viewer, so I need to send this particular file in a PDF format. So what do? So I'll just go onto my website and go to more web tools and come to this particular category of tools, and I will select the PowerPoint to PDF tool. So once you select the PowerPoint to PDF tool, you can see that you can either use a use remote URL. So if you have saved the PDF in your Google Drive or some other file drives, then you can use the use remote URL and copy paste that URL of that PDF here, and then that can be converted to PDF and downloaded here. Or you can just click on choose file to choose from your the file format from your device. So I can say there is a sample PPT, that is sample 1 PPT, sample PDF file. So I'll just open it here and wait some time and click on convert. So this conversion process takes a little bit of time depending upon the size of the file and the connectivity of your network. So then I have the PDF file ready. Now just click on download and you can download that PDF file and open it. So I'm just opening it using the PDF viewer right now. So there is the PowerPoint in the PDF format. So let's just go ahead and check on how we can convert some other file format. Then there is Word to PDF, just click on that. It's basically the same process. You can use a remote URL. If your Word file is on a Google Drive, then you can just click on use remote URL, then copy paste that right here and click on convert. So here I have the file on my device, so I will just choose the file from my device. There is the Word file, then wait for a bit. Yes, the converter option has, then click on convert, and the Word file get converted to PDF. Then download and see. Let's just download it and see. So it's downloaded to PDF. So there it is. The Word file has been converted to PDF. Similarly, you can convert Excel file to PDF. Then there is HTML to PDF, PNG to PDF. PNG means image format. That's an image format. Let me just try and find a PNG format file from my, I think this one is a PNG format, I believe. So then click on done, wait some time, click on convert and open. The PNG image file has been converted to a PDF file. If you have multiple images, you can convert all those to PDF and merge it. So that's a really useful tool there. You can convert various file format to PDF, and then you can convert Word to Open document and Word to HTML. Let me just show you JPG to PDF. Okay, let me just show you Word to HTML. The Word file will be converted to an HTML format file. So what you can do is choose the Word file. Where is that? Okay, the sample Word file. Then click on convert. Then download the file. You can actually see it comes with the extension .html. That means it is getting converted to HTML file. So this particular file just open on my browser because it is an HTML file. So this is a really useful category of tool on my website optizord.com. All you got to do is go to my website optizord.com. When you come to my website, you can see this second category after the video downloader, which is the more web tools. Just click on that, and once you click on that, you will be on this page where you can see the first category of tools that helps you convert various files to PDF and Word to ODT, Word to HTML, etc. So if you are using this on a mobile device just like this, you can even make a shortcut on your device for this website. Just click on these three dots, then add to home screen, then give the tool a name, online web tools, add it, so it gets added to your mobile device. So I can see this online web tools right here. Once you click on that, it will go directly to this page. Similarly, you can do this settings for any tools, any website, to make it and use it like a app on your mobile device. So I hope you found this video really useful, and I hope you will try all these tools and suggest improvements. I will come again with another video regarding the next category of tool, text content tool. Then I will be going through the image editing tools, then website management tools, and many other tools which are available on my website. So if you are visiting my website for first time, do check out all these tools. There are over 200 plus tools on my website which are really useful. So I really like to thank you for watching this video. So have a good day.